Okay, there you go. Now see, now you got all your stuff over there, and Mama has all her stuff over here, and that Mama put all this stuff in the computer, and then we'll go pay again. Okay? Mama will be busy. Right here to him. I got you even on camera. Okay? Alright. Mama will be back with Bree. Acting like I'm ignoring her. She heard something. You still over there? Are you busy? Are you busy, baby, too? Okay, get your purse. Get your purse.